In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Instagram account and 30 days have passed, then it means that Instagram account is now permanently deleted. So in order to recover such deleted Instagram account, you need to open your internet browser and in the search bar type instagram.com/support. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then click on manage your account. Click on the first option. Scroll down. And below this was this helpful tab. Click on no. Then click on other. Now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to provide all the details why you deleted your Instagram account and why do you want to recover it now. Once you have provided the details, all you have to do is to click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your deleted Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.